Now, Terra Luna Classic burns have been a major subject of conversation over the last couple of weeks and really months here as we rebuild this blockchain. Guys, we're starting with staking being re-enabled, and now we've got burns that are going to reduce the overall supply, hopefully down to that 10 billion goal that we've got out there. But when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, it all depends on your goals, whether or not we need these exchanges, these major exchanges to jump on board and do the 1.2% burn tax like Binance is saying that, well, they will do if we meet this and this and this and this requirement along the way. So I want to talk about how important these burns are depending on the goals that we have. And I also want to talk about MEXC Global because, my goodness, they are really leading the way when it comes to centralized exchanges supporting Terra Luna Classic burns. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got KuCoin in the description below, and you can get Terra Luna Classic on there, so make sure to check it out. They have a lot of rewards for very active traders. So if you're an active trader, you're going to get a lot of rewards on the KuCoin platform. But guys, let's discuss this. I say it depends on our goals as to whether or not these Terra Luna Classic burns on exchange or off-chain will be important or vital. What do I mean by that? If your goal is to go out there 10, 20, 30x your money by holding Terra Luna Classic and watching this project be rebuilt, that is absolutely achievable without goals. That puts us around that 1 penny mark. It puts us around the $50-60 billion market cap, which has already happened. Now, I understand that the utility was there when Terra Luna Classic was trading around that $50-60 billion market cap. I get that. Who's to say we can't have utility return? Guys, there's people talking about repegging UST. There's developers out there just waiting to build on a layer 1 blockchain, and Terra Luna Classic has that to offer. Is it going to happen overnight? No. I mean, nothing happens overnight unless you get lucky or it's unsustainable. It's not going to be easy, but if this blockchain is rebuilt, you can have phenomenal, life-changing gains in 20, 30, 40, 50xing your money if we just recapture the previous market cap that we've had. Now, I understand that everybody wants to hit 1,000x gains, 5,000x gains. So yes, in order to get there, we are not going to have trillion-dollar market caps on Terra Luna Classic. So burns are absolutely necessary. Now, looking at that, let's go over some numbers right now. We're currently at about 1.13 billion Terra Luna Classic that has been burnt by the burn tax. Now, that's a phenomenal number. Guys, we had only burnt 4 billion prior to this burn tax being initiated, and we're already 1+ billion in, and it's been like, what, 3 days? I mean, think about the success that we are seeing already and how many Terra Luna Classic are being burnt. Those numbers are excellent, but I agree with you. It's going to take 20, 30, 40, 50 years to burn the supply of Terra Luna Classic down to that goal of 10 billion. So if your goal is to 10, 20, 30, 40x your money, no problem. Burns are good. If your goal is to 100, 200, 500, 1,000x your money, all of a sudden we need those burns. We need exchanges if you're not willing to wait 50 years to see that type of progress. Now, people have done the math, and in yesterday alone, if Binance was burning, we would have burnt roughly 20 billion Terra Luna Classic. So their proposal, this 3-step proposal, would be vital if that's the types of gains that you guys are hoping to see throughout the future. Now, I understand that everybody wants to see more and more and more gains, so it really depends on who you are as an investor and what your goals are as a trader. And of course, the higher the gains, the more risk. The higher the gains, the harder it's going to be. The higher the gains, the more you're going to have to work and put an effort into doing stuff with the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, rebuilding, bringing utility, marketing, all of that, so that we can see this price action move higher over time. Now, I mean, guys, we have already accomplished so much that I can't allow people to forget what we have done so far. Guys, going from a blockchain that was considered dead, I mean, it flatlined. We dropped from $100 a coin down to 0.00002, and here we are today. We're sitting right now on a coin that is being reborn, a blockchain that is being rebuilt, a foundation that is being restructured, and we're doing so with 99+% agreement. That is the incredible part. So as you see the price fluctuate, as you see the people who were here simply for on-exchange or off-chain burns leaving, and the price may be moving lower, you have to ask yourself, why are you here? Are you here simply because the burns were exciting and simply because the price was moving up the way that it was, and you were here for a short-term trade? Or are you here to watch the blockchain be rebuilt? Are you here for the long term? And are you willing to see it out? There's no right answer. There's no wrong answer. Everybody is allowed to have a different motive and a different investment decision that they make. And yes, both of them can result in gains. But there's one thing that remains true across the board. You can't be a whale if you sell. And I know that is very hard for a lot of people to understand because the price does go down sometimes. But to put it in a little bit of a perspective, if you're looking to be a Terra Luna Classic whale, you have a decision. You buy the coins and you simply hold the Terra Luna Classic coins. Then, if you're sitting on $500,000, $1 million, $5 million, $10 million worth of Terra Luna Classic, you are a whale. If you sell them along the way and trade them, yes, you can make a lot of money. But you won't be a whale. You're just going to be a rich guy. I mean, there's a decision you have to make there, and it does hold true. If you have a sell button, you can't be a whale. You can absolutely be rich, but it's going to be in US dollars instead of Terra Luna Classic. So guys, make that decision, but I want to know, are you still, because I see the price going down, and I simply want to know if you're still excited about Terra Luna Classic and the blockchain being rebuilt. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 pretty much everywhere. You've got 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.